Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we need to use about long division. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So we see that they don't have s square and numbers in here. So we need to put about 0 s square and numbers in here. So we have s square, this one we have s to the power of number 3. So we need to multiply by s because s with s square we have s to the power of number 3. This one with 3s, so we have 3s square. This one with number 2, we have 2s. So we need to minus 2 equations. So for this one, that should be about this one minus this one, 0s square minus number 3. So we have negative 3s square. Negative number 2, negative with number 2, we have negative 4s. This one we have negative 3s square, so we need to multiply by negative number 3. So this one with s square, we have negative 3s square. This one with number 3, we have negative 9s. Negative number 3 with number 2, we have negative number 6. We minus 2 equations. This one and this one they cancel. Negative number 4 minus negative number 9. So positive number 9 minus number 4. We have 5s. 0 minus negative number 6. We have positive number 6. So this one we can write like this. That is about s minus number 3 plus 5s plus 6 over s square plus 3s plus 2. So we can write this one in here. Now the integration of s, we have s square over 2. Number 3, that is about 3s. And now we just concentrate on this one. Now we need to consider on this one. So we need to use about factorization in here. So 3s we can put s plus 2s. So s and s we can do about factorization. Number 2 and number 2 we can do another factorization. S plus 1 we can do another factorization. Now we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 2 b over s plus number 1. Now we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about s plus 1. So capital A multiplied by s plus 1. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 2. So capital B multiplied by s plus number 2. Now we need to arrange based on the terms of s. So we compare coefficient about s we have number 5, so a plus b equals to number 5. About the numbers, we have a plus 2b equals to number 6. So we need to create the system of equations. So a equals to number 4, b equals to number 1. So in this one, we put a and b cone here. And now we have the integration. So a equals to number 4, b equals to number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. So about this one, the integration of this one, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.